Zero preparation, average student and still dreaming of IIMs? अगर आपको लगता है कैट सिर्फ टॉपर्स के लिए है, then this video will change your whole mindset. Because CAT is not about intelligence, it is about consistency, strategy, and preparation. Today, I will show you a complete step-by-step roadmap from zero to CAT ready. ये वीडियो स्पेशली उन स्टूडेंट्स के लिए है जो बिगनर्स हैं, जो अभी स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं, नॉन बैकग्राउंड स्टूडेंट्स, वर्किंग प्रोफेशनल्स, कॉलेज फर्स्ट एंड सेकेंड ईयर स्टूडेंट्स who feel weak in quant और इंग्लिश। सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट बात, कैट बैकग्राउंड का एग्जाम नहीं है, कैट स्ट्रैटेजी का एग्जाम है। हर साल 1000 स्टूडेंट्स विदाउट कोचिंग कैट क्रैक करते हैं विद गुड परसेंटाइल। सो इफ दे कैन डू इट, यू कैन टू। स्टेप 1, अंडरस्टैंड कैट प्रॉपरली। प्रिपरेशन स्टार्ट करने से पहले एग्जाम समझना ज़रूरी है। कैट हैज़ 3 sections: VARC, Verbal Ability and Reading Comprehension; DILR, Data Interpretation and Logical Reasoning; QA, Quant or Quantitative Aptitude. Each section has sectional time limit around 40 minutes. In these sections, you cannot switch from one section to another, which means अगर आपने VARC कर रहे हैं, VARC सेक्शन चूज किया है, तो VARC कंप्लीट होने के बाद ही आप कॉन्ट पर जा सकते हैं या फिर DILR पे। अगर आप कॉन्ट या DILR स्विच कर गए तो आप वापस से VARC पर नहीं आ पाएंगे। Important rule: accuracy matters more than attempts. More question attempts equals to more questions wrong. Reality check: CAT is not a syllabus-based exam like school or colleges. It tests your thinking ability, pattern recognition, and decision making under pressure. That's why mudding formulas alone will never build a strong foundation. First 2 months, foundation building phase. Focus on concept, not speed. Let's break section wise. VARC strategy. Daily reading habit is compulsory. Read newspapers, editorials. Aeon essay, articles based on physiology, psychology, and the one more is economic. Step 3, practice plus mock test. After basic concepts from 2 to 3 months, next phase is starting of practice plus testing. Topic test, sectional test, previous year mocks. Mock analysis, most important part. Because without mock analysis, the whole scenario will be useless one. So, you have to analyze which question I selected wrong, where I wasted time, which topics are weak. Then start practicing RCs slowly. Goal: understand our goal is, then practice RC passages slowly. Our goal is understanding, not speed. Also practice parajumbles, self-summary questions. Remember, good reader becomes high scorer in VARC. Quant strategy. Start with arithmetic. Why? Because arithmetic has highest weightage and is easy to understand. Topics included in arithmetic are percentage, ratio and proportion, work and time, profit and loss, averages, simple and compound interest. Focus, concept, examples, practice, revision. Formula रटना enough नहीं है. Concept clarity is king. DILR strategy. DILR is practice-based section. The golden rule in DILR is solve one set daily. Yes. At initial stage, solve one set only. Starting में थोड़ा सा struggle होगा, but then it will become normal for you. Read different topics. Include tables, arrangements, games and tournaments. Consistency will build your brain. Can I solve this question? Claim. Improvement को chase करो. Mistakes से आप कुछ ना कुछ जरूर सीखेंगे. Score automatically increase होगा. Daily study plan. Students think that they have to study 8 to 10 hours daily, but that's not true. You only have to study 3 to 4 hours. Give 40 minutes for VRC, include 1 RC plus passage. Give 40 minutes or 60 minutes for quant, include practice questions, and give 40 minutes for DILR. Solve sets regularly. One set plus analysis. Weekly, one sectional test for each section. 1 mark. Important rule is that daily study is higher than weekly marathon. Biggest mistake beginners make. Start with advanced questions. Ignore VARC reading, not analyzing mocks. Start random without plan. Success in CAT comes from clarity, consistency plus correct strategy. Remember this, CAT is not about talented student. CAT is about a disciplined person. Average student crack 99 percentile every year. Difference बस इतना होता है, they don't quit. If you start today, you still have enough time. Subscribe my channel for more CAT related videos and information.